How to request an unban on Twitch chat. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys, and it's a pretty quick and easy tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys two ways in order to actually do this. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started. So first of all, the easiest way to do this is simply by searching Twitch appeals right over here. And this is basically the appeals portal to view your enforcement and submit an appeal. And yeah, if you click on here, you basically have to log into your account, and then you should see all the bans or restrictions that your account has, and then you can appeal a unban. Now, the second way to, for example, to request an unban in a Twitch chat is, over here says navigate to the channel where you received the ban and click on chat. So let's say I were to have been banned on this dude's channel, then I'll just click on here, and over here in the chat I should be able to see something like appeal or request unban, something like that. And even if the channel's online, so let's say the channel was online, we could also over here click on chat, and then since it's live, it will just go back over here, but it will also open up the chat, because even when channels are offline, you are able to access the chat, and via that way you can still request an unban. So that's basically it. That's how to request an unban on Twitch chat. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.